This is a complete long form article, and here you can see it is around 2400 plus words, fully written and formatted. First of all, you should read Google's policy. Google does not care whether your content is written by AI or written by a human. Google only cares about one thing: the content must be high quality, informative, and helpful for the user. Now, the question is, how can we create high quality content in just 2 minutes? So let me show you the complete process. We are inside the WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to plugins, then click on add new plugin. In the search bar, type hosting or reach, and you will see the hosting or reach plugin with 1 million plus installations. Simply install it and activate it. After activation, you will see a new option in the sidebar, hosting or reach. Click on it. After that, select AI content option. And now we will create our blog post. At the top, you will see content type. Select blog post. Next, choose the voice. I prefer a natural tone, so I will select natural. After that, you will see an option for post length, short, medium, or long. I always select long because long posts are usually 2000 plus words and they rank easily on Google. So I will choose long. Now in the topic box, enter the topic of your blog post. For example, I will type how to make money online with YouTube and Fiverr. Below that, enter your main keyword like make money online my keyword. Now click generate content. Within 30 to 60 seconds, your full blog post will be generated. As you can see, the post is ready. When I scroll down, you can see a very attractive and unique title followed by proper headings and paragraphs. This is a complete long form article, and here you can see it is around 2400 plus words, fully written and formatted. Now we need to edit it. Click on edit and you will be taken to the WordPress editor. Here you can change the title if you want, read the content carefully and remove anything that looks too robotic, for example extra commas, unnecessary dashes, or anything that does not look like natural human writing. Make the content sound like something a real person would write. After that, add your images, write proper alt text, set a feature image, and format the post properly. Once everything is done, simply click publish. And that's it. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you can create a long SEO friendly 2000 plus word blog post and publish it on your website. This is how you can easily run your blog and publish as many posts as you want every day and rank them as well. I hope this video was helpful for you.